Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. So we're starting to wrap things up this semester. We've got Chapter 14, Consumer Health. After this, we only have one more week of work in the book and then our final exam. So the semester is going to end on you pretty quickly. Guys, consumer health is really related to all the topics that we've talked about. And so with consumer health, this particular chapter is trying to educate you on being an informed consumer of health-related products and services. A lot of times as we discuss things such as nutrition, such as supplements, and these diet fads, physical activity for fitness and health. If you're in the gym, you probably see folks walking around with shaker bottles. So we're talking about protein shakes and pre-workout. There's so many things out there now that are available to us as consumers. And even more so with the way that we shop online now, there's a lot of scams and just things that aren't true that are being promoted to us out there. And so it's very important that you are an educated consumer when it comes to these health-related products because, of course, anything that you're putting into your body is going to have some type of impact on your body. And so you need to be aware of exactly what it is that you're using. And not just along those lines also, but the topic does, or the chapter does address health insurance and health care. It addresses alternative care practices and complementary care. And again, like I mentioned, supplements and other things that you or that consumers may purchase that would impact their health. So guys, the key is being knowledgeable, doing your homework, studying. In fact, if you are considering taking any type of supplement, you really need to talk to a doctor first to make sure it's okay for you. But again, hopefully this chapter does a great job of informing you and educating you so you can make informed decisions. With that being said, guys, have a great Thanksgiving. I realize you'll have a couple days off this week, but since we're at the end of the semester, we've got to hold pretty tight to this December 2nd due date. Because we only have 2 weeks to go and then the semester's over. Okay? Enjoy your time with your family. That's such a big component of health. It is just a social piece and time for you to be mindful of the great things that you have around you and just showing thanks, but also spending time with friends, family, and loved ones. Guys, take care. Have a great week. As always, I'm just one email away.